What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? A. Vijayawada. B. Hyderabad. C. Vishakhapatnam. D. Amravati. Please choose the correct answer. Answer D. Amravati. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Dispur. B. Itanagar. C. Kohama. D. Imphal. Please choose the correct answer. Answer B. Itanagar. What is the capital of Assam? A. Dispur. B. Imphal. C. Agartala. D. Guwahati. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Dispur. What is the capital of Bihar? A. Ranchi. B. Patna. C. Bhubaneswar. D. Kolkata. Please choose the correct answer. Answer B. Patna. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? A. Ranchi. B. Bhubaneswar. C. Raipur. D. Patna. Please choose the correct answer. Answer C. Raipur. What is the capital of Goa? A. Bengaluru. B. Mumbai. C. Panji. D. Chennai. Please choose the correct answer. Answer C. Panji. What is the capital of Gujarat? A. Bhopal. B. Jaipur. C. Gandhinagar. D. Lucknow. Please choose the correct answer. Answer C. Gandhinagar. What is the capital of Haryana? A. Jaipur. B. Lucknow. C. Gandhinagar. D. Chandigarh. Please choose the correct answer. Answer D. Chandigarh. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? A. Shimla. B. Jaipur. C. Lucknow. D. Dehradun. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Shimla. What is the capital of Jharkhand? A. Ranchi. B. Patna. C. Bhubaneswar. D. Kolkata. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Ranchi. What is the capital of Karnataka? A. Hyderabad. B. Mumbai. C. Bengaluru. D. Chennai. Please choose the correct answer. Answer C. Bengaluru. What is the capital of Kerala? A. Chennai. B. Hyderabad. C. Bengaluru. D. Thiruvananthapuram. Please choose the correct answer. Answer D. Thiruvananthapuram. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? A. Mumbai. B. Bhopal. C. Gandhinagar. D. Jaipur. Please choose the correct answer. Answer B. Bhopal. What is the capital of Maharashtra? A. Jaipur. B. Bhopal. C. Mumbai. D. Gandhinagar. Please choose the correct answer. Answer C. Mumbai. Which Indian state has Imphal as its capital? A. Nagaland. B. Manipur. C. Meghalaya. D. Assam. Please choose the correct answer. Answer B. Manipur. What is the capital of Meghalaya? A. Shillong. B. Aizawl. C. Kohama. D. Itanagar. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Shillong. What is the capital of Mizoram? A. Macau. B. Mandalay. C. Naypyidaw. D. Aizawl. Please choose the correct answer. Answer D. Aizawl. What is the capital of Nagaland? A. Kohama. B. Imphal. C. Itanagar. D. Dispur. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Kohama. What is the capital of Odisha? A. Bhubaneswar. B. Ranchi. C. Kolkata. D. Patna. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Bhubaneswar. What is the capital of Punjab? A. Jaipur. B. Lucknow. C. Gandhinagar. D. Chandigarh. Please choose the correct answer. Answer D. Chandigarh. What is the capital of Rajasthan? A. Jaipur. B. Lucknow. C. Gandhinagar. D. Bhopal. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Jaipur. What is the capital of Sikkim? A. Agartala. B. Gangtok. C. Aizawl. D. Shillong. Please choose the correct answer. Answer B. Gangtok. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? A. Hyderabad. B. Chennai. C. Thiruvananthapuram. D. Bengaluru. Please choose the correct answer. Answer B. Chennai. What is the capital of Telangana? A. Hyderabad. B. Vijayawada. C. Vishakhapatnam. D. Amravati. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Hyderabad. What is the capital of Tripura? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Nagaland. C. Manipur. D. Agartala. Please choose the correct answer. Answer D. Agartala. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? A. Patna. B. Jaipur. C. Lucknow. D. Gandhinagar. Please choose the correct answer. Answer C. Lucknow. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? A. Jaipur. B. Bhopal. C. Lucknow. D. Dehradun. Please choose the correct answer. Answer D. Dehradun. What is the capital of West Bengal? A. Kolkata. B. Hyderabad. C. Chennai. D. Thiruvananthapuram. Please choose the correct answer. Answer A. Kolkata.